Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys my way how to doing forecast on Google Sheets. So instead of using traditional, traditional forecasting like trend line and so, you just pour in your data on your Google Sheet. So instead of using that formula, I now preferable using this Ask Gemini. So simply I ask Gemini. Oh, I'm using Indonesian language, so over here, basically, I just ask Gemini on Ask Gemini here on Google Chrome. Remember, do not do it on Google Sheet AI because this AI will generate the see I've done this like chart and then graphic, and so I don't like it. I just want to numbers. So when I use Ask Gemini on my Google Chrome, I asked her to do forecasting, and the result quite satisfying me since he respond she responds concisely and then perfectly. So I just believe the calculation of her calculation instead of using the traditional formula. So here the way how to use AI in fast way. Of course, if you want to accurate and if you want to more robust calculation, you should use the formula. But for me, on the early stage to do forecasting using the Ask Gemini is enough. So that's it. If you are confused about what is forecasting, just ask Gemini on your current tab on your Google Sheet. That's the point of this video. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.